Now let's move to problem number 5 and how we solve it. This one is like buying a puzzle with half the pieces missing. You open a contract listing, excited. No description, no attachments, no contact person. Half the box is empty. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. Every night, our system pulls every single piece of information for that listing. The full agency, the code, the contact person, every document, everything. It puts it all on one clean page. And there's even a direct button that takes you straight to the original on SAM.gov. So you never have to wonder if it's real. One clean page, every field filled in, nothing missing. Okay, let me teach you this one step by step, like a real teacher would. It looks small, but it saves you hours every single week. Step 1. Imagine you open a contract listing, excited. This could be the one. But then you look closer, and there's no real description, no documents, no name of who to even contact. It's like getting a puzzle box, and half the pieces are just missing. Step 2. So what do most people do? They become a detective, searching other websites, sending emails, calling numbers, and waiting. Hours, just chasing information that should have been right there from the start. Step 3. Now let's look at how Sambid fixes this, one piece at a time, using a real example. Step 4. Here's our Find Contracts page. This is the full list of matching opportunities. Let's take the second one on this list and click into it. This opens the details page, and this is exactly what we're going to walk through together, step by step. Step 5. At the very top, you see the title of the contract, and right next to it, a match score, like 85%. That number tells you, at a glance, how good a fit this contract is for your business. Step 6. Below that is the agency, and I don't just mean one name, I mean the whole chain. Which department, which sub-office, which specific office is actually running this, so you know exactly who you'd be working with. Step 7. Next is the NAICS code. This is just a number the government uses to say what kind of work this is. And right underneath it, we show you the plain description of what that code actually means, so you're not left guessing what a bunch of digits stand for. Step 8. There's also a PSC code. Think of it as a more detailed category, sitting one level deeper than the NAICS code. Step 9. Then you see the set-aside type. If this contract is reserved for a certain kind of small business, it's shown clearly, right there. Step 10. Now the point of contact. This is the real person's name and their real email, fetched directly, ready to copy with one click. No searching, no guessing in email format. Step 11. Below that, the full description of the job itself, laid out in plain writing. Step 12. And here's a smart part. It automatically checks this listing against your own company and tells you, in plain words, why it matches. Your code matches. Your certification qualifies. How many days you have left. Step 13. Now the documents. This is the part people ask about the most. Every single attachment on this listing, the RFP, the statement of work, all of it gets fetched automatically and listed right there, ready to open in one click. Step 14. And once all of that, the data and every one of those documents is sitting there, it feeds straight into something called the AI assistant, lower on the same page, which actually reads all of those documents plus the full listing at once, and a risk assessment which checks the whole thing for red flags before you spend any time on it. Why do you need this? Because reading through all those documents yourself could take you an entire day. I'm not going to go deep into exactly how those two tools work in this video. That deserves its own full explanation. So stay connected, because that one's coming in the next video. One clean page, every field fetched automatically. Nothing missing, nothing to chase. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the opportunity detail page, right inside your dashboard. You land here the moment you click into any listing. Everything I just walked you through, step by step, it's all right here on this one page. Now before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me the worst experience you've ever had chasing missing information on a government listing. I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.